Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to remove the white background from a text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a text box, but their text box have a white background. Now we want to remove the white background. Click the text box, then go to the shape format menu, then click the shape fill option. You can choose any fill color. Now I select this orange color. You can add another color. Go back again the shape fill option and choose the another color. Now we can see remove the white background from this text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.